Public Works Secretary Mark Villar has tested positive for COVID-19. Villar revealed it in a Facebook post. Villar has been busy building quarantine and isolation facilities around the country since the start of the COVID epidemic. His announcement came 2 days after he was named as isolation czar in the government's COVID response. Villar is the third cabinet official to be infected with the virus. The first is DILG Secretary Eduardo Año, who got the virus in March. Education Secretary Leonor Briones got infected in April.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.